Prior to flying into the Philippines, you are required to fill out an e-travel form. E-travel is an electronic passenger registration and health declaration checklist utilized by the border controls authorities in the Philippines. First time I'm in Manila, Philippines. Just landed. Once you got off the aircraft, it was easy going through the terminal. The signage to immigration was good. Process of going through immigration took me about 10 minutes. It was very easy.
Hi, hello, Manang Jo. Albert here in the Philippines. Yeah. This is our driver.
My aunt and cousin greeted me when I arrived. The traffic in Manila reminded me of the LA traffic or the Seattle traffic. Prior to going to the house, we had dinner at the seafood Balayan restaurant for some authentic Filipino food. It was all delicious. This is my first ride on a motorized tricycle. In the Philippines, motorized tricycles, or simply tricycles, refer to a type of motorized vehicle consisting of motorcycle and a passenger cab. Here, Art and I walked the town so I can exchange some American money to the Philippine pesos. Hey, fancy. Art and I go back on a tricycle. I rode in the cab, and I'm 6 feet tall, and there's no headspace for a tall person like me. One of the main things I wanted to try while in the Philippines is the Filipino street food. Here, Art and I went to a place to have some street food. Believe it or not, the food was delicious. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. We're gonna eat breakfast right now. Me and our friend Bicol Express, adobo and sinigang.
Right on. Good. Good breakfast.
All right. Squeezing everything out.
Yeah, that's why they recommend you bring extra napkins. As you can see, this is just big as mine. Yeah? But it'll work. We in Art's Jeep. Look at a big seat right here. All right, Christina, you gotta say something.
Hi, hello.
She got front seat, VIP seat.
VIP.
Jeepneys, sometimes called Jeeps, are minibus-like public utility vehicles serving the most popular means of public transportation in the Philippines. Here, Art is driving us to the family farm. Christine said smile, so I smiled, and the water buffalo also smiled. Thank you for joining me and watching my Philippine adventures. There's more to see and more to watch, so join me on my next video. Again, thank you.